morning, children. So today we are going to learn about changing states. That is, we have studied three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. So when we supply sufficient amount of heat energy, there will be a change in state. Or when sufficient energy is released, then also there will be a change in state. Okay, either by releasing or by absorbing, there will be a change in state. Clear? Either by absorbing energy or by releasing energy, there will be a change in state. So we know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. So the change will be from solid to liquid, liquid to gas and vice versa. That is gas to liquid, liquid to solid. Okay. So now we are going to look in detail about this changing state. So what is melting? The first process of changing state is melting. That is solid to liquid. When there is a change in state from solid to liquid is known as melting. When there is a change in state from solid to liquid is known as melting. So melting is a process by which a substance change from a solid state to liquid state. So what is melting? Melting is a process by which a substance changes from solid state to liquid state. Okay. So when there is a change of state from solid to liquid, we can say it is melting. So in this figure, you can see the melting of what? Ice. So here solid is ice. So when it is melted, it will be what? It will be melted to liquid water. So this is known as what? Melting. So what is melting? Melting is a process by which a substance changes from a solid state to liquid state. So you can note down this definition to your record book. So what is melting? Melting is a process by which a substance changes from a solid state to liquid state. So next process is about freezing. What is freezing? The reverse process. The reverse process of melting is known as freezing. So in the previous section we have discussed about solid to liquid is known as melting. So in this section, when a liquid to solid means we can say it is freezing. When it is liquid to solid means we can say that particular process is known as freezing. So freezing is a process when a liquid turns into solid. So what is freezing? Freezing is a process when a liquid turns into solid. So in this change of state, here liquid is changing to solid. So it is a process when a liquid turns to solid. Here in this figure you can see that is water has changed to ice. So this is the process known as freezing. So what is freezing? When a change of state from liquid to solid is known as freezing. And freezing is a process when a liquid turns into solid. Freezing is a process when a liquid turns into solid is known as freezing. Next we are going to learn about next process, that is from liquid to gas. Next process is what? Liquid to gas, that is evaporation. Evaporation is a process where liquid changes to gas or vapor. Evaporation is a process where liquid changes to a gas or vapor. What is evaporation? Evaporation is a process where liquid changes to a gas or vapor is known as evaporation. So we have studied three change of state. That is, first change of state is what? Solid to liquid. Solid to liquid. That process is known as melting. That process is known as what? Melting. And liquid to solid. Liquid to solid. That process is known as freezing. That process is known as what? Freezing. And then now we have studied liquid to gas. Liquid to gas. That process is known as evaporation. Evaporation. So what is evaporation? Evaporation is a process where the liquid change to a gas or a vapor. So there is another process where liquid change to gas. Okay, now we are going to study that. Okay, so here there is a difference between that particular boiling and evaporation. So let's see that. So in the previous slide we have studied that there are change of state from liquid to gases, evaporation. So evaporation occurs at any range of temperature. Okay, ഒരു പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ തന്നെ വേണമെന്നില്ല, ഏത് റേഞ്ച് ഓഫ് ഒരു റൂം ടെമ്പറേച്ചറിന് എബവ് ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവാപ്പറേഷൻ നടക്കും. ബട്ട് ബോയിലിംഗ് ടു occur boiling, it need a fixed what a point, fixed temperature. So next process is boiling. It is also a change of state from liquid to gas. That is, boiling is a process by which a liquid turns into a vapor when it is heated to its boiling point. So what is boiling? Boiling is a process by which a liquid turns into a vapor when it is heated to its boiling point. Clear? So the next change of state is from liquid to gas. So here boiling is a process by which a liquid turns into a vapor when it is heated to its boiling point. So here also it is a change of state from liquid to gas, but what is the difference? Here it doesn't need a fixed boiling point, it just changes its state from liquid to gas at any range of temperature. Okay, at any range of temperature, ഏത് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ റേഞ്ചിൽ വേണമെങ്കിലും അതിന് ലിക്വിഡിൽ നിന്ന് ഗ്യാസിലോട്ട് ചേഞ്ച് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് കൊണ്ടുവരാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. So what is boiling? Boiling is a process by which a liquid turns into a vapor when it is heated to its boiling point. So next, it is a reverse process, that is condensation. So what is condensation? Condensation is a process in which gas is changing to liquid. That is, condensation is a process by which gas turns to liquid. So here in this figure we can see that that particular gas is turned to what? Liquid droplets. Here you can see. So what is condensation? Condensation is a process by which a gas turns into liquid. Condensation is a process by which a gas turns to liquid. So in this flow chart you can see when a liquid solid melts, it forms a liquid. When a solid melts, it forms a liquid water. When the water evaporates or boils, it forms gas. When gas condenses, it forms a liquid, and when liquid freezes, it forms ice. Clear? So when solid melts, it forms liquid. When liquid boils or evaporates, it forms what? Gas. When gas condenses, it forms water or liquid. When liquid freezes, it forms ice. So here this is a flow chart. Here we can see that this is a solid. When it is melted, it forms liquid. Okay, when it is melted, it forms liquid. When this liquid is evaporated, we can see it is changing to gas. Okay, so here heat, this blue line indicating that heat is what? The blue line indicates the heat is taken in. By absorbing heat, the water will melt to form a liquid. Ice will melt to form a liquid. And when absorbing heat, this liquid is boiled or evaporated to form a gas. Again, this red line indicates what? Heat is given out. That is, when gas evaporates, when the gas condenses, it changes to form a liquid. So here heat energy is given out. When gas condenses, it changes to form what? It changes to form liquid. When the liquid freezes, it changes to form solid. So there is a condition in which ice is directly changed to vapor without changing the state of liquid. അതായത് ഐസ് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഗ്യാസ് ആയി മാറും, സോളിഡ് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഗ്യാസ് ആയി മാറും വിത്തൗട്ട് ചേഞ്ചിങ് ദ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് വാട്ട്? ചേഞ്ചിങ് ദ സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ലിക്വിഡ്. ലിക്വിഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു ഇൻ്റർമീഡിയറ്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഇല്ലാതെ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ചേഞ്ചിങ് ടു ഗ്യാസ്. അറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് പ്രോസസ് ഇസ് നോൺ ആസ് sublimation. Okay, that process is known as sublimation. It can be vice versa also. When there is a change of state from solid to gas is known as what? Sublimation. Clear? So here you can see there is a triangle which indicates this change of state. Okay, That is, when solid is melted, it forms a liquid. When liquid is evaporated, it forms gas. When the gas is condensed, it forms what? Liquid. When the liquid is freezed, it forms solid. So ഇവിടെ there is a direct change from solid to gas is known as sublimation. ഇത് റിവേഴ്സ് പ്രോസസ്സിനെ സബ്ലിമേഷൻ എന്നും പറയാം, ഡെപ്പോസിഷൻ എന്നും പറയാം. Okay, so this is a triangle which shows what the reverse process. Okay, so next, in the next section we will be studying about different sections. So before that, let's just revise what is melting, what is freezing, what is evaporation, what is boiling, and what is condensing. So here we have discussed different states of change of states of matter, right? So melting is a process in which solid is changing to liquid, and here we can see that ice melt to form a water. So melting is a process by which a substance changes from solid state to liquid state. What is freezing? Freezing means liquid to solid. So freezing is a process when a liquid turns into a solid. What is freezing? Freezing is a process when a liquid turns to solid is known as freezing. And what is evaporation? Evaporation means, that is, when liquid changes to gas, it is what? Evaporation. Evaporation is a process where liquid changes to a gas or vapor. What is boiling? Boiling means liquid to gas. That boiling is a process by which a liquid turns to a vapor when it is heated to its boiling point. What is condensation? Condensation is a process, that is, gas changes to liquid and it does what? അവിടെ ഒരു boiling പോയിന്റിൻ്റെ ആവശ്യമൊന്നും വരുന്നില്ല. So next we are going to look about different types of change of state in detail. Okay, so here we have studied different types of change of state. So let us revise that and then we can explain in detail. Okay, so first we have studied solid. Solid melts to form, solid melts to form liquid. Solid melts to form liquid. So this process is what? Melting. This process is known as melting. And liquid, what? Evaporation. Evaporation or boiling. Evaporation or boiling. Evaporation or boiling. When liquid evaporates or boils, it forms what? It forms gas. And the reverse process, when the gas condensation, when gas, the process in the when gas condenses, it forms liquid. And when liquid freezes, that is, when liquid freezes, it forms solid, that is, freezing. Clear? So solid to liquid means, solid to liquid means what? Solid to liquids means it is melting. Solid to liquid means melting. And liquid to solid, if it is change of state from liquid to solid, means it is freezing. And if there is a change of state from liquid to gas, liquid to gas means it is evaporation. It is evaporation or boiling. Evaporation or boiling. And then gas to liquid. Gas to liquid means we can say it is condensation. We can say it is condensation. Clear? So when solid to liquid, melting, liquid to solid, freezing, liquid to gas, evaporation, gas to liquid, condensation. And there is a direct change, that is solid to, that is solid to gas, that is sublimation. Sublimation. Reverse is also sublimation. So we have studied this change of state. Explanation നമുക്ക് next class നോക്കാം. So I hope this is clear for you. നമുക്കിനി നമ്മുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റിലത്തെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും കൂടെ നോക്കിക്കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് we can wind up this section. Okay. Already discussed about change of state. So next, let's just go through our text. Okay. So here, what is changing state? That is, if you leave ice in a warm place, it melts and become liquid water. And become what? Liquid water. So the temperature at which a solid melts is called melting point. So we have studied solid will change to liquid, right? And that process is known as what? Melting. And the temperature at which that particular process occurs is known as melting point. It's known as what? Melting point. So the temperature at which a solid melts is called melting point. So the process of changing from solid to liquid is known as melting, and the temperature at which a solid melts is known as what? Melting point. So water on the ground will gradually disappear as it changes to water vapor, and that is invisible gas. This is known as what? Evaporation. So warmer the water, the more quickly it evaporates. We know that the process melting and evaporation will take place only when heat energy is taken in. That is, it increases its temperature. So if you heat water until its temperature reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it will boil. So we have already studied that to boiling to happen, it need a fixed boiling point. അല്ലേ? ഇവോപ്പറേഷന് ഏത് റേഞ്ച് ഓഫ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചറിലും ഇവോപ്പറേറ്റ് ആവാം, പക്ഷെ ബോയിലിങ്ങിന് ഒരു ഫിക്സഡ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ ആവശ്യമുണ്ട്. So steam is water heated at the boiling point that turns to a gas. Here the 100 degrees Celsius is a boiling point of water. So the temperature at which a liquid what boils to form a gas is known as boiling point. The temperature at which liquid boils, not evaporates any range of temperature. What is boiling point? The temperature at which a liquid boils to form a gas is known as what? Boiling point of that particular liquid. So if water vapor changes or steam touches something cold, it condenses and what? Changes back to liquid water. This is known as condensation. Reverse process. And if you put liquid water in a freezer, it freezes to form ice. So these changes are known as change of state. That is, when ice melting forming water, water boiling forming steam, steam condensing forming water, and here we can say that is water freeze to form ice. So നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ടൊരു ഡയഗ്രാം യു ക്യാൻ ഡ്രോ ഇൻ യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക്. നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി ഞാൻ വരച്ചതാണ്. ദറ്റ് ഈസ് സോളിഡ് മെൽറ്റിംഗ്, ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതുക കേട്ടോ റെക്കോർഡിൽ. സോളിഡ് മെൽറ്റിംഗ് ലിക്വിഡ് evaporation or boiling form gas, and reverse process condensation. Okay, and then this reverse process freezing. So either your flow chart you can draw in your record book. Clear? So this is about change of state. So I hope this section is clear for you. So next section will be studying how to measure and volume and all. Okay, so please go through this section and please write the definitions in your record book, and if you have any doubt you can message me. Thank you.